Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you will learn how to get prerequisites. To start learning of course, what are the prerequisites are required to start course and how you will get it. Let's see here. Don't miss this lecture. You will set your local code development environment to get the prerequisites for this. So Python, which is absolutely free, you will get from python.org. To go to downloads, select operating system, which operating system you are using, and install the Python file. Anyhow, we are also explained each step by step in our course, and the lecture which is available. And PyCharm code editor, where you need to develop your own code and run and compile the programs in Python system own development environment. You need to choose PyCharm IDE for developers. This IDE is free and open source, we are using Community Center Edition. Purely Python development purpose we are using this, and it's absolutely free. If you need, there is a professional version is also there. There you have to pay some fee for it and you can avail it. So the website here it is given jetbrains.com/pycharm/download. Anyhow, we are also explained PyCharm how to install step by step and how to configure the PyCharm and how to run the programs from the scratch we have initiated. So I wish you good luck. I'll see you at course. Thank you.